Hello and welcome to another travel day. Today we're off to Sharm El Sheikh in Egypt. So this is going to be one of them travel days. I've been asked to do these. I didn't do them at first, but then I started doing a few of them. So I'm going to show you now how I get from Liverpool all the way to our hotel in Sharm El Sheikh. Well, here I am back at my second home, John Lennon Airport. I never seem to be out of this place. So as I said, I'm off to Sharm El Sheikh in Egypt. The flight is with EasyJet. Our flight time is round about, well, should take off at 25 past 1, getting into Egypt at 10 to 9. Approximately a 6-hour flight with EasyJet. I'll tell you a bit more when I get to the other side of security. Right through security, they've got the brand new scanners in now, so you don't have to take your liquids out and it goes through quicker, but the queue is huge. Best part of, I'd say, nearly an hour to get through security, so we haven't got really much time now. The gate has just come up now, it's gate 9 for Sharm El Sheikh. It's a 6-hour trip. The price on this one was a little bit on the high side, especially for an EasyJet flight, but the reason why I booked that, the reason why I paid the price is because I paid extra. I paid the priority, I paid for a suitcase, a carry-on suitcase, an extra one, and I paid for the emergency exit extra leg room as well. So it all totted up. I'll tell you the price later on in the video. As I said, the gate has just come up now, gate 9.
We're pretty much ready now. We'll be ready to work, closing the aeroplane doors. There is some weather over the Alps over Central Europe, which is slowing down the operation across Europe at the moment. With that in mind, it's got two impacts on us. First of all, we've been given a slightly delayed departure from here. So once we're ready, we'll push back. We'll have to hold in a position behind the aircraft for about 20-25 minutes before we get on our way. That might just put a few minutes late to Sharm. We'll do what we can to bring that forward at any time we can. The flight time down there is 5 hours and 15 minutes. We've been airborne for about 45 minutes. We'll enter the area of this and we'll take our way through it. I would recommend, as always on these flights, safety. And we're going to speak to you during the cruise. Perhaps they change some of the
Right, so takeoff was 35 minutes late, so we were sitting on the runway for 35 minutes, and the captain announced that the flight is going to be round about 5 hours 20 minutes. We've been up in the air now about an hour and 35 minutes, so it's going to put a delay. We should be landing in Sharm El Sheikh at 8:50 p.m. Looks like we're not going to get in now till roughly, I reckon, around about 25 past 9. Flight itself hasn't been too bad. It's a bit bumpy, by the way. For the last, I'd say, last half an hour has been very bumpy. As you can see, it's pitch black outside. We travel through the time zones. Sharm El Sheikh is 2 hours ahead of the UK. We just started our descent into Sharm El Sheikh. Approximately about another 20 minutes to go, and we were delayed 35 minutes. So I think we're going to arrive roughly around about 20 past 9. I'll see you when we get through customs. Right, so we've arrived at Sharm El Sheikh Airport. As I said, delayed slightly. It's now 9:30. We're through the baggage controls. I've got to go through now and get some currency from the bureau. The reason for that is because Egypt is a closed currency. You can't really get this currency outside of Egypt. You've got to get it when you land. So I need to get some Egyptian pounds, obviously, for taxis and stuff like that. So let's get through. We should have a private taxi waiting to pick us up to do our transfer through to our hotel. Hopefully he's still there because we are delayed. Let's get through. Right, we've managed to find our driver. One little word of warning: when you do come into arrivals after you picked up your suitcase, you will be attacked with a gauntlet of illegal taxi drivers. It's totally up to you if you want to use them. Half of them aren't actually official taxi drivers, but they will approach you, as you can hear in the background now, people shouting taxi. We already pre-booked our taxi online and the guy is waiting for us. I will leave the link of the company on the bottom of this video to let you know which company we used. It wasn't a bad price. I put the price as well, what we were charged for two of us, but to be safe, pre-book a transfer of some sort, because there must be 50 fellas out here asking, do you want a taxi? And I guarantee 99% of them will not be official taxi drivers. So I've eventually arrived at my first hotel here in Sharm El Sheikh. When I'm saying first hotel, there are 5 coming up on the channel, watch out for them. But this is the travel day video and I'm bringing it to a close, showing you how I got from Liverpool all the way through to Sharm El Sheikh. And I'm going to put down in the description how much it did cost for the flight. Wasn't a cheap one, but it shows you all the extras that I included in the flight from Liverpool to Sharm El Sheikh, and of course how much it costs for the transfer from Sharm El Sheikh airport through to this hotel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, a share. Of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. Watch out for those hotel videos, they're coming your way very, very shortly. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.